What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. And welcome to the 12 vlogs of Christmas. And today, we're going to the bowling alley for the 12 vlogs. Goal is I want to bowl a 300 for Christmas. Can I do it? And we're going to start tonight and see if I can bowl a 300. I've never bowled one, and I've been in the league for like 6 years now. So we'll see. If I can't do it tonight, we'll have more nights, but we'll see if I can get a 300 for Christmas. Let's go. Almost. One pin. Nah. Missed my average by a few pins, but I led us to victory and clutch as the anchor. Missed my average, but we won by 1 pin. Bad start to game 2, 117 after 8, but let's see how my team's doing. Oh man, a split! Because nobody can duplicate his bowling style. He got a bowling style you can't duplicate. Right here, Joel, my personal mixologist. We're in 20th place. Game, new game. Let's go, Mr. Lil Fart.
So you can show it's all or fall. Like, you
I'm not gonna show it to him because he's gonna get mad that I'm recording it if he doesn't strike. He's gonna say it's a distraction. Good start, keep it going. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Camera, there you go. Strike. I hate that 10. Get that turkey dance. Turkey.
Gobble wobble.
Get that turkey dance. All right, let's get a strike. Gotta come up clutch. Mortal Kombat style. It's alright, I'm gonna pick it up. Oh no. Strike, strike, strike. And we won the second game by 7, and we won the first game by 1. So 178, 166, 204. So we took 2 out of 3 tonight. Hopefully we'll move up. Probably not. We're in 20th place. We're probably stuck in 20th place, but hey, got the job done at the end. Won 2 really close games. Did okay. I didn't get my 300, but you know, Got a 204 in the end, so 200 games always good, but you know, we got to come back and do it again. Try to get this thing before Christmas. I threw it out.
You got it. You got it.
With all of the sauces, all of the fixings. Look at that. We got sliders for days.
Chicken sliders.
Chicken sliders. Look at that. Mustard, ranch, ketchup. You got the good stuff. All right, so here comes another opportunity to go for that 300 game. So let's hope we can get it tonight. Running out of opportunities before Christmas, so let's do it. Okay, 227, I take that and won both games. Full bagger! Hey, I need to join that club. The full bagger club! Where we at? There it is. The full bagger club. 4 in a row.
You gotta get
We're in the
5.
full bagger. That was within 2 weeks. I knew that wasn't gonna get it. Hey, I'll take a 612 series. I want that 300 game, but a 227 and 2 games above 190 is 3 good games. I'll take that any night of the week. All right, folks, last league night before Christmas. Last chance to get a 300 game for Christmas, to get my gift for Christmas. All I want is a 300. Let's see how close I can come. I had a good week last week, but not close enough. So let's see if we can get that 300 tonight. Let's go. Let's go. This game started with a turkey and then downhill ever since. Downhill. See how I finished. Not bad so far, but not great. Only a 169 game, not good enough. We lost 78 points. Game 2 we won, but 179, not close to 300. A row dance. There's 5 strikes in a row dance. That Anthony beat me and Eric LaFord almost beat me. That doesn't happen very often. But yeah, it used to happen all the time years ago, but it doesn't happen anymore. So I'm going to document the fact that Eric LaFord almost beat me and Anthony beat me, because that usually doesn't happen.
25 points.
So we won 5 out of 7 tonight, so we were in 18th place. Hopefully we're moving up. And I'm in 16th place out of 48 people in the individual league, so I lost 2 out of 3 this week, so only got 2 points, so I'll probably drop. I didn't make my 300, but I wanted to let you all know about my quest and my bowling. So when I do make that 300, it's going to be on this channel and you'll see it. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace. And bowling. Lots of bowling.